Hello everyone, my name is Diep Chi. I'm from class 2B2, Big School Metropolis. Today I will tell you the story named Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Let's jump to the story with me. Jump! One day the three bears went for a walk. They left the porridge in the house to cool. A girl called Goldilocks was walking in the wood when she smelled the porridge. "Oh, I love porridge," she thought, and she crept into the house. First, she tried Daddy Bear's porridge. "Oh, too hot," said Goldilocks. Next, she tried Mother Bear's porridge. "Ooh, too cold," said Goldilocks. Then he tried Baby Bear's porridge. "Gosh, no. Not was perfect, and Goldilocks eat them all." Then Goldilocks went upstairs. First, she tried Daddy Bear's bed. "Gosh, too hot," said Goldilocks. Then she tried Mother Bear's bed. "Gosh, too hot. No. Too soft," says Goldilocks. Then Goldilocks tried Baby Bear's bed, and it was perfect. And Goldilocks fell fast asleep. Soon the three bears came home. Baby Bear said, "Who ate all my porridge?" Then the three bears went upstairs. "Who in my bed?" said Baby Bear. He cried, "What?" Baby Bear cried, "What?" Goldilocks up. She ran with a scream and never returned to the house again. The lesson I learned in this story is don't take other people's things without permission. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for listening.